Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's my birthday. I'm so excited, guys. You cannot imagine. I've been blushing since morning. So me and my dad came today. He traveled and he just came back. So he went out and we went to get my new phone. So there's going to be an unboxing, everything. Wow, guys, finally. The baby girl is 18. I'm so excited. Thank you, Jesus, for everything. No, it's not been easy, but we knew.
You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I do Chris for your love. My mind there for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you.
Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today, this is like after. Anyways, I'm going to be doing my phone unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. So on my birthday, I told you guys that my dad took me out and bought me a new phone. Because the phone I was using is Infinix Note 7. Yes, Note 7, and the battery as at now it's not anything. I don't even use it to film my videos. I use my mom's phone to film my videos, right? So this is container. I only filmed like a little piece when I was there because I couldn't really film. You know, this friend, but they'd be like, "What are you doing?" So I was like, I couldn't film. But yeah, this is the case. Then, dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, it's reflecting. You can't see it, but like Note 10, right? You can see it now. This is the case. I actually love the green. So when I got it, I thought it was a color green, but it's color purple, right? So it's 128 gig, 98 GB, Z RAM, and 6 gig ROM. I don't know which one RAM or ROM there. I never like computer in school. So I bought 128 gig because of YouTube. Because I used to have issues with my other phone, it was 32 gig. And you know, I'm a teenager, I have things on my phone, right? I'm an adult. I have things on my phone, right? So I don't have enough space to be able to keep things on my phone. So when I want to export, I basically delete everything on my phone just for me to be able to export my YouTube video of less than 8 minutes. So I hated it. So when I wanted to buy this, I was like 128 or nothing. So as for the price, I'm not gonna tell you guys the price. Go online, go and check it out. So this is it. The phone is not there because I started using it yesterday, right? So this is the phone. The screen, but this is the phone. Yeah. This is my. You guys can see. Yeah. This is the phone. And let me show you guys the back. It's color purple. I don't know when they said it was only purple they had. I'm like, is it deep purple or light? So it's nice purple, but I think I actually like right, and I like the camera, like the lens. The camera, you know, it is for me. I think I like it. I like it honestly. I feel it's such a nice phone. And another thing about it that is different is the fingerprint is like the side. So it's just going to be like so it's on the power button, the fingerprint is on the power button. Case. Shows. The phone case. This is like a screen guard, right? I already put screen guard on my phone when I bought it. I put it like I bought my phone from Gyakie Forever. Gyakie, that's where I bought my phone. And I got my screen guard this year. It was 1,000. I don't want to leave it and then go back. I know I can't go back. Because I have a function, so I have to put my screen guard. I don't want to do much. I don't like it. So I don't know. I think this one too is like like the screen that I will not let my phone break. One annoying thing about this phone, this Infinix 10, is that the charger mount, you know, normal charger used to have like this pin underneath it, so you can use anybody's charger. You cannot use any charger for this, unless they want to use the charger that you have 3 chargers at home. I wanted to use the charger from that, okay, I'll leave this one out. When I need it, right? And it will not enter. Like, when my own charger out, and I found out that it's just uniform. It doesn't have those lines. If you get what I mean, right? It doesn't have those lines. It's just round and circle. So I cannot use anybody's charger. And nobody, I'm not sure nobody can also use my charger only if you are using no time. It's good because nobody will run your charger with no. But it's bad because all of a sudden my charger packs up. Then I cannot say keep burning your charger. My phone is almost dead. I have to go and buy. I have to go and use my phone. But like, I'm so grateful for everybody that for being making people proud, right? For always showing up for this channel, guys. It's not easy. So yes, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite.